Hey guys, Robert the Realtor here. How my peeps doing? I'll talk to you real quick about insurance. Auto and home, okay? I know everybody's taking rate increases. We're working our butts off. Well, it'd be a lie. I'm not, but Christine, Colin, Tyler, Nathan are working their butts off on it to keep everybody happy on the rates. But I want to tell you and talk to you about 2 to 3 different examples of claims experiences. So we have insurance on our autos and our home, which in that order, home would probably be our largest investment, and the second one would be our automobiles. And we're typically talking about thousands, tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands of dollars, okay? So let's say that you're with us and you take a rate increase and you can go somewhere else and maybe save a couple $100, maybe $1,000 on your auto or your home, or maybe they're offering better deductible by $1,000 or $1,500 a year, whatever. Here's what this is about. In the last 24 months, I've had 3 claims. One claim, the reason I'm telling you to stay with our agency versus maybe saving a couple $100 or getting a lower deductible, by a couple $100 or whatever it is. That one claim I can think of right off the top of my head, the first one was a home claim, and initially started with a lightning strike. The very first adjuster that came out there for the lightning strike said that they were going to pay, it was like a couple $1,000, okay? And after speaking with the insured personally myself, that's when I get involved, is when we're starting to have issues with claims, okay? This is the time, this is what you pay your insurance for, right? Whether it's you pay more for us or anybody else. But their experience with us, that couple $1,000 claim, now it took quite a while. I'm talking, it took about a year worth of back and forth with me, the insured, my claims. I was on my second sales manager at this point, right? We'd switch sales managers, claims rep, got everybody involved. By the time we were done fighting that battle, I was in the trenches with them. They got in, their house was completely, it was considered a complete loss. So we went from a couple $1,000 claim to getting down to the root of the cause and finding out the electrical. It was just a nightmare. They ended up, it was a $200 and some thousand claim paid out. Okay? So they could have switched and went somewhere else too and saved a couple $100 or maybe even $1,000, but would their agent fight for them like that? Okay? Just had a fire claim recently, and the insurance company was only going to pay out, I can't remember the exact numbers on that particular home claim, but working with me, I worked with the sales manager, the claim rep, and the insured, and we got several $1,000s more back because I believed on both of those cases that what they were telling me was true, so I fought for them. The most recent one was on a commercial claim. The initial claims adjustment, they were going to get $500 back. Fast forward 30 days, I worked with the insured, I worked with the claim rep, I worked with the claim rep's boss. I wasn't the nicest guy in the world to them, and I apologize to them. That said claim now, I believe they're going to get close to $16,000 back. Okay? What am I saying? I'm saying that I always tell my insureds that all my companies that I represent, I have great relationships with. And if you come to me with a claim, which is the worst time, and you feel like you're not getting treated fairly, and I'll talk to you about the situation when you and I agree, and I trust this, I trust what you're telling me, that I'll go to bat for you. Okay? And you can ask anybody in this office, and you can probably ask some of the sales managers, They only get phone calls from me usually when it's an issue, and 99% of the time, I'm going to get it fixed. So, before you decide to cancel with Huffman Insurance Group, remember that I bleed Huffman Insurance Group. Okay? I will go to bat for you. You don't believe me? Text me, Facebook message me, Snapchat me, whatever, and I'll put you into contact with some of these people personally that I went to bat for. Okay? So remember that when you're getting ready to make that switch, because you can save $600 a year or $1,000 a year. In some of these cases, maybe if their insurance agent wouldn't have went to bat for them, because I've heard it. Okay, I've heard it personally from people, from humans, from individuals tell me, oh, well, my agent said they couldn't do anything. Good thing you saved $1,000, because I might have been able to get you $10, $15, $20, $50, $100, $1,000. Okay, so think about that when you switch. Will your agent go to bat for you? This is not a knock on any agent out there. This is not a knock on any agent out there. This is me and what I do for my clients, okay? If they're my clients, if they're Tyler's clients, if they're Nathan's clients, my name is out there, right? I'm the agency on the corner, and that's what I tell all my sales managers. I'm the one that deals with it, so you get to deal with me. So remember that when you get ready to switch. And I'm not talking about anybody in particular. I'm just saying I know what's happening, and people want to say, leave for a couple $100, but those people that I just mentioned to you, they're not going anywhere. Those 3 claims, they're not going anywhere. Their premiums went up. They're not going anywhere, okay? Because they know who's going to go to bat for them and get their money for them when time's right. Remember that, all right? Robert, the insurance agent.